Westermans here again with a Ross 250 kilo welding positioner, 110 volts, 600 diameter table, manual tilt. There's a chuck actually fitted on the top of this table. Machine will either be sold as seen, serviced or refurbished. The Ross or Mpe, which some people know them as, or Murex. Quick function test, variable speed, probably wants the brush he's doing on the motor, looking at that. Foot control on and off, direction, again variable speed. Sounds like a little train. Well, machine, like I say, been sold, serviced, where this would actually be rectified or sold as seen. It will be sold literally as seen. More details can be found on this and other welding positioners from Westermans.com. Also a new range of welding positioners from 50 kilos upwards. Thank you for looking.